In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Eventbrite tickets. This walkthrough focuses on using the Eventbrite website, and the steps are the same whether you're on a desktop computer or using a mobile browser. Start by heading to the Eventbrite website and signing in. Make sure you use the exact same email address you used when you purchased your tickets. That's important because your tickets are tied to that account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It might appear as your initial or a small profile image. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Tickets. You'll land on your Tickets page, which is essentially your personal hub for everything you've bought. Right at the top, you'll see your upcoming events, so anything you have coming up will be easy to find without digging through emails. Click into an event to open its ticket details. Here you'll see your QR code or barcode, which is what gets scanned when you arrive at the event. Keep this handy for entry. Having it pulled up on your screen before you reach the door speeds things along. In the same place, you'll also find helpful event details and the location. This typically includes the event date and time, the venue name, and the address so you can plan your route ahead of time. Reviewing this page before the day of the event can help you double-check the start time, see if there are any entry notes from the organizer, and confirm the exact location. Eventbrite notes that all tickets you purchase will appear right there in the tickets section of your account. So if you've completed a purchase with that email, this is where it will show up. If something seems missing, the most common reason is being logged into a different account than the one used at checkout. It's worth a quick double check that you're signed in with the same email you used to buy the tickets. That's all there is to it. Go to the Eventbrite website, sign in with the same email you used at purchase, click your profile icon in the top right, and choose Tickets. From there, you'll see your upcoming events, your scannable QR code or barcode, and all the important event details and location. With this page bookmarked or easily accessible, you'll be ready to show your ticket at the door and enjoy your event without any last-minute scrambling.